EazyRyderMoto friends and family, welcome back to the channel. Miami part 1. This year we're doing it a little bit different, but this is part of the wolf pack that we got rocking out. We got Leader Lars getting his bike together. This year we did it a little bit different than what we normally do. Normally we would all stay together. We kind of split it up in the middle this year, which wasn't really our choice, but we had to do it what we had to do. But we're getting the bikes ready. We're going to start today off. We're going to probably go ride a little bit. I'm going to bring you guys along with us as we get today's activities going. What you doing there, Larry?
Lubage.
He's getting some lubage going. We got Durham G. We got Durham G in the building, man. Bobby Yaga looking good.
Yes, sir.
You see what it is? He's got the bike all done up. Are those red wheels?
Those are red.
Red carbon wheels. Wow, I'm just now noticing that.
Red VST wheels. We matched the carbon in the back as well. We did some cosmetic work last second. We tried. We're just really, the goal here is really to try to get the bike up and running perfectly. It's been down for almost a year and a half, so we're gonna run it. We'll do some testing. We have to go do a tune later on today. I need to replace a fuel line. We kinked the fuel line in New York, refitting it. So we ordered one from Dave. Thank God, shout out to Dave.
Yep, MWP Dave.
Last second, he came in through, clutch. Shout out to that guy. That's about it. We'll do some testing today and we'll see how it goes.
Yes, sir. Looking forward to it, man. Looking forward to giving him the gap.
Oh,
Moto
yeah.
Mac TV back in the building. He's in there working right now, so I won't get him on camera at the moment. But you'll see him throughout our series of the Miami meetup. Roadkill is here finally after a long trip from a cold, wintry Michigan. Roadkill has made it. I'm gonna bring you guys along to the house, to the Wolf Cave, just to show you guys a little bit. We got MTV cribs here. We got the front door. We got a section of the house. It's a room there. Moto Mac TV's in there doing his work right now. We have master bedroom with the full editing room down here. Walk-in shower, full bathrooms, TVs, headrests, closets. Got the fellas in their sleep, got a bathroom over there. We got the main lounge room, real cool TV setup, air hockey table, dining room table. We got the camera stuff set up in there. Kitchen area, pool table. Bring you guys along here. Got another bedroom over here. Chill room with the cooler over there. Swimming pool out here in the back. Nothing but.
Don't forget to include the chessboard.
Of course, we got the chessboard, of course.
You know, it's checkers, not chess.
But bring you guys along, man. And after the intro, get with you guys only on the EazyRyderMoto YouTube channel, man. Follow the series. Peace.
Yeah. 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 Long time ago when the hills fairway, Yamahas and Hondas, me and Beezy all day. But when I lost my brother, I went harder than I ever did. Hogging on that Gx10r, Willie's to the city end. You can't little dog me, cause I'm the big dog. You look hungry, come to Applebee's and watch I serve you raw. Easy go 200 plus on that S1000rr. So you better hope you smaller than me, cause boy, your father look up to me. I'm who your son wanna be. Damn, she wanna ride and learn how to lean. Okay, I pop the clutch, hit the throttle, she get stiff, I say just give me a squeeze, ease.
Anybody can get the smoke. It don't matter what they on. I said anybody can get the smoke. Don't matter.
Ease.
EazyRyderMoto friends and family, we are finally on our way out the door. After all the time of cleaning the bikes, getting ready to go, now we're finally heading to meet up with Kudis and Willie Hutt Jr. of the Wolf Pack to go see exactly what we're.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. We're going to see Kudis and Willie Hutt. My man, Leader Lars. Oh man, I haven't seen this silly guy in a long time. I think it was the Michigan meet back in June. Here it is January, so we try to see each other a couple times out the year. Durham has his bike set up real nice. We ready to go. Alright, let's get it. We are out here in Miami right now. We got the crew. You know what it do. South Beach. We are on our way to you. Look. Going to meet up with Willie Hutt Jr. Kicking it with Kudas. Fast Lane D. Right now we got Leader Lars, Durham G, all members of the Wolfpack, and of course myself. We are on our way, man. Looking forward to it. Catching up with these guys. Looking forward to catching up with these guys. Seems like it's never frequent enough that you get a chance to see your homeboys. I got a chance to kick it with Willie Hutt because thankfully he was able to meet up with Kudas. So special shout out to Willie Hutt Jr. and Kicking It with Kudas for making this trip possible for me, because without those two I wouldn't have been able to make it out here. They were able to meet up with me to pick up my motorcycle, so therefore I could bring it down to Florida. They brought the bikes down for me from Florida, so I can have it out here to be able to ride. Hopefully you can pick up on my audio okay, because this aero exhaust is wide open right now. It sounds great. I hate when I get caught up in traffic like this, man. It's just pretty tight out here in Miami. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, you're riding so reckless. But I promise, I'm just kind of going through traffic, keeping up with everybody, and trying not to cause a disturbance to traffic. Man. I don't know if you guys can hear that popping and banging, but it's something about when even Larry thinks so. It's something about when that exhaust is out here in the Florida altitudes that it pops, bangs, and it sounds extremely aggressive. Oh man, I hate this Miami traffic. It can take you 8 hours to get somewhere just because of the traffic. That exhaust, that race fit exhaust, sounds really loud on that 2014 BMW S1000rr Sport M series. Oh wow, look at this. Lamborghini truck. That thing look nice. You see some exotic stuff out here in Florida. That is one thing you cannot take away from Miami.
5 hours later.
I wonder if he knows I'm about to get him. Larry doesn't know I'm about to kill switch him. Timing is everything. I think he was hip to it. I think he was hip to it. I'll get him the next time. I love the way roadkill runs in these at sea level altitudes. Roadkill runs absolutely amazing. Yes, sir. Try to got it. Got it. Got it. That's what it's all about, being out in Miami with your boys, having a good time, having fun. And a ride. Good little 44-degree lean angle right there, action. Okay, not too bad. Those of you guys that think I just like to go straight, I love cornering. I actually started off on the track, so when I get a chance to do the corners, I absolutely love it. We're on our way over to meet up with Mixed Performance Tuning. So two of the guys can get their bikes tuned by him. And then we're gonna head down to South Beach afterwards. So you see Durham has a secondary exhaust system that he's gonna put on his bike to get tuned between the SC Project exhaust and the Akrapovich exhaust. So I'm gonna get you guys some content of that. And then we're gonna head down to South Beach while they're getting their bikes to them. Me and Leader Lodge will probably shoot down to South Beach. He's gonna do a tuning job on Derm's Zx10 and also that BMW S1000rr. Nick, just in your experience, what do you expect from the Zx10 to put out horsepower-wise when you put your magic touches on there on your dyno?
Probably about 200 on our dyno.
And what do you expect for the BMW S1000 there too? Tough one. Not enough.
I'll do my best.
So there you have it, man. We're gonna get some content for you guys, man. This video is going to be part of the Miami series. I would say roughly about 181, 182 on this bike. It is on pump fuel. Yep, it is on pump fuel. This motorcycle here will be on pump, and I believe also Nick is gonna tune this motorcycle on E85 as well. This man knows his work, and he's gonna get a chance to actually go through and dial in these motorcycles. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the Nick's Performance Zx10 will do against the Brent Tune S1000rr. Only on the EazyRyderMoto YouTube channel, man. I'll get with you guys in a little bit.